We've had a lot going on this year, from Mr. Brown welcoming us with "Good morning, Ridgeland High School" every morning, to ridiculously long lunch lines, and our helicopter landing on our soccer field. After that day, people were talking about how scared they were to fly helicopters. I'm not really scared of flying helicopters. I'm more afraid of crashing.
Every year, millions of kids across the nation want to go to college, but they don't because they think they can't afford it. And it's no wonder they think that, since the cost of college tuition has gone up 50% since 2005. At an average of over $9,000 a year, that's half the income of some families in Walker County. But there are some students right here at Ridgeland who have found the help they need to go to college. Sarah is a senior at Ridgeland, and she plans to go to Berry College next year. Coming from a single-income family has made that tough, but not impossible.
Most of the stuff that colleges want from you, I couldn't afford. But luckily they have different waivers in the office, and they can help pay for things such as ACT waivers, SAT waivers, even college application waivers, because some cost up to $60 to $80. So my big college I wanted to go to was Berry College, and I've applied for several different scholarships there. And you would think, coming from this little part, you wouldn't get many scholarships, but so far I've gotten a $9,500 scholarship per year for Berry. And it's an academic scholarship. Plus, with FAFSA coming up, you can get even more with grants from federal aid. And also, most colleges take into account if you get FAFSA or not to apply extra scholarships for need-based. So it's really easy to afford college if you manage your money and you manage your grants and scholarships. And be sure to apply for lots of them.
There's assistance available to help students afford college, but where would you find all that scholarship information?
Ooh, a scholarship!
No, you wouldn't find it there. You'd find it here, at the guidance office. In the guidance office, there's tons of information about various scholarship opportunities. Not only that, the helpful staff is ready to assist in any way they can.
I'm sure most of you know ACT and SAT testing is required for college admission, but also if you're on free or reduced lunch here at school, you are eligible to get a waiver for those tests, and with that you don't have to pay for the test. They'll also then waive your college admission application fee, which is also a big expense. There are several different ways you can apply for scholarships. Of course, there is with the university, they have their own scholarship programs. There is the FAFSA, which is the Federal Financial Aid Program that every senior will need to fill out. And that's where you can qualify for free money from the government. It is need-based, based on parent income. And then also there are local scholarships which come in through the guidance office. We probably have about 10 or 11 right now that students can fill out.
If you think you can't afford college, you're lying. Are you left-handed? There's a scholarship for that. Are you tall? There's a scholarship for that. Do you have brown eyes? Yep, there's even a scholarship for that. So quit thinking you can't afford college and get down to the guidance office, because there's money available and colleges want you. At Ridgeland High School, I'm Kelsey West.
Hi, I'm Cordell Kingsley, and I'm a member of the TSA. Hi, I'm ill-advised Cordell, and I'm not a TSA member. I'm an honor student because TSA teaches me to push myself academically. While I'm also an honor student, yes, Your Honor, I'm not guilty. I'm making a change in my community using all the incredible things that I've learned in the TSA. Sometimes I make change by sitting here playing on the street with my guitar. Ooh, a nickel! I get to compete in statewide competitions. I compete in games of paper football with my friend Billy here. Home run! Since I have learned to live in our technical world, I have a bright future ahead of me, and will have my pick of college and career paths. Well, I have my pick of flavors of gum I find stuck under the table. Don't be like this me. Speak to your local TSA advisor and join TSA.
That last video won Ridgeland TSA 3rd place at the state convention. It was also the first time that Cordell ever made money by playing his guitar, because people kept walking by and throwing their spare change into his guitar case. In television, they make money by airing commercials. Let's take a moment and look at some of the commercials made in Mr. Watt's class.
In the arms of the angel, fly away from here.
Are you tired of having a bald head? Do women laugh at you when you're naked and neighbors relate you to a non-heterosexual clown? Power! That's right, ladies and gentlemen, this cream can get you slash-level hair in just 5 minutes. That's right, it's hair there, and in just 5 minutes we can see clear results. So what if it's the leading cause of breast cancer? You're gorgeous, you're handsome, and above all, you're manly. So buy our new improved patent hair there for $9.99 a month for the next 8 months. You'll grow more than hair, you'll grow women too. Get hyped today with Bertie Bott's ever-flavored beans.
The boy who lived. Hey, hey, hey! Come to die.
Let's finish this the way we started. Together!
Get out of your mind! Get out of your mind! Get out of your mind! Hey, 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 hey! Get out of your mind! Get out of your mind!
I really don't dance,
But I'm in the zone.
boom, 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 get out the way. Like a runaway train. I grab my boot, you do the same. Shake, shake, and make it wet.
Show us how you get hyped on Harry Potter Bertie Bott's ever-flavored beans. Please be aware that there might be flavors not suitable for ages 18 and under. You might get grass, dirt, everworm, soap, and vomit.
Whatever happened to predictability? The milkman, the paperboy, evening TV. You miss your old familiar friends, but waiting just around the bend. Everywhere you look, there's a heart, a hand to hold on to. Everywhere you look, there's a voice of somebody who needs you.
That was fun. Mr. Watt's class also does some more things, like short films, documentaries, music videos. Let's take a look at some of those now.
You're walking in the woods. There's no one around and your phone is dead. Out of the corner of your eye, you spot him. He's following you, about 30 feet back. He gets down on all fours and breaks into a sprint. He's gaining on you.
Shia LaBeouf.
You're looking for your car, but you're all turned around. He's almost upon you now, and you can see there's blood on his face. My God, there's blood everywhere!
Running for your life from Shia LaBeouf. He's brandishing a knife, it's Shia LaBeouf. Lurking in the shadows, Hollywood superstar Shia LaBeouf. Living in the woods, Shia LaBeouf. Killing for sport, Shia LaBeouf. Eating all the bodies, actual cannibal Shia LaBeouf.
Now it's dark, and you seem to have lost him. But you're hopelessly lost yourself, stranded with a murderer. You creep silently through the underbrush. Aha! In the distance, a small cottage with a light on. Hope. You move stealthily toward it, but your leg! Ah! It's caught in a bear trap!
Gnawing off your leg.
Quiet, quiet.
Limping to the cottage.
Quiet, quiet.
Now you're on the doorstep. Sitting inside, Shia LaBeouf. Sharpening an axe, Shia LaBeouf. But he doesn't hear you enter, Shia LaBeouf. You're sneaking up behind him. Strangling superstar Shia LaBeouf. Fighting for your life with Shia LaBeouf. Wrestling a knife for Shia LaBeouf. Stab it in his kidney. Safe at last from Shia LaBeouf.
You limp into the dark woods, blood oozing from your stump leg. You've beaten Shia LaBeouf.
Wait, he isn't dead. Shy surprise, there's a gun to your head and death in his eyes, but you can do jujitsu. Body slam superstar Shia LaBeouf. Legendary fight with Shia LaBeouf. Normal Tuesday night for Shia LaBeouf. You try to swing an axe at Shia LaBeouf, but blood is draining fast from your stump leg. He's dodging every swipe, he parries to the left. You gather to the right, you catch him in the neck. You're chopping off his head now. Just decapitated Shia LaBeouf.
His head topples to the floor, expressionless. You fall to your knees and catch your breath. You're finally safe from Shia LaBeouf.
Bad boys, what you want, what you want, what you gonna do when Sheriff John Brown come for you? Tell me what you wanna do, what you gonna do? Yeah, bad boys, what you gonna do, what you gonna do when they come for you?
Hello, my name is Sergeant Gilly. I've been on the force for about 5 years now. I'm in my undercover uniform. Basically, our job is just to get some lawbreakers off the street. Oh, safety first. Recording. All right, guys, we are just going through the streets. Let's see what this car does up ahead. Looking pretty suspicious. Yeah, he's been making some swerves. Oh, wow, he kind of hit that a little fast. We're gonna go pull him over. Yeah, I've been following him for about a mile or two. He's actually been kind of swervy. I don't know what the deal is, but he's not looking too good. Get him at the top of this hill. Let's see what we can do. Alright, we got him. Wow, kind of swervy. Hey. We're gonna pull over. You know why I pulled you over today? No, officer. Failed the blinker at that turn back there.
Oh, sorry, officer.
Is that an open container? No, sir! Move back in the car! Go! Go! Alright, we got a runner. We get in a couple of these. We'll go get him this time. He's not getting away, that scumbag. Reckless driving, when you add that to the ticket. Man, I've never been this fast before in this car. We're hitting 40. This could get ugly, okay? So you just do what I say, alright? Uh-oh, he stopped. Alright, stop. Get out, get out, get out. Get your hands on the ground. Open fire. Hands on the ground. He's not giving up. Get down, get down. Give up, you're surrounded. He's not giving up. Give up! Hands up! Hands up! Hands up! Drop the gun! Come on! Come on, Dad. Hands where I can see them. Slowly. Come on. Right here. Keep your hands up, walk slowly. Slower. Come on. On the ground. Right now. On the ground. Hands in front of you. Face down, turn to the right side. Face down, turn to the right side. Hands behind your back.
Cops is filmed on location with the men and women of law enforcement. All suspects are innocent until proven guilty in a court of law.
Since Ridgeland is so crunk, there were plenty of opportunities for students to shake their groove things throughout the year. So don't be getting all up in my grill flossing like you got cheddar, and chillax while we take a look at some of these fly music performances.
10 years ago, on a cold, dark night, someone's came beneath the town hall light.
Perfume at the scene, they all live free. That the cure is around, could belong like me. She walks these streets in a long black veil. She visits my grave, the night winds wail. Nobody knows, nobody sees, nobody knows but me.
Judge said, son, what is you? I'll buy you somewhere else, and you won't have to die. Spoke not a word, though it meant my life. Been in the arms of my best friend's wife.
She walks these hills in a long black veil. She visits my grave, the night winds wail. Nobody knows,
Brother, let me be your shelter. Never leave you all alone. I can be the one you call your love. Brother, let me be your force. The night is a dark heart. We know the light away. Gave me first time, here I am. Came down and grabbed me by the hand. Said, follow me to the promised land, to the promised land. Too hot, I am. Make a train, wanna retire now. Too hot, I am. Say my name, you know who I am. Too hot, I am. And I'm bad about that money, break it down now. Girls, hit you, hallelujah. Girls, hit you, hallelujah. Girls, hit you, hallelujah. 'Cause Uptown Funk gon' give it to you. 'Cause Uptown Funk gon' give it to you. 'Cause Uptown Funk gon' give it to you. This Saturday night I'll be in the spot. Don't believe me, just watch. Come on.
Wow, going to Ridgeland is like sitting in the audience of America's Got Talent. I guess that makes Mr. Record our very own Howie Mandel. Speaking of Mr. Record, there's no truth to the rumor of him playing the person of the Panther at our prom. But if he did, he had some pretty sweet moves. You had some pretty sweet moves yourself. Let's take a gander.
Pop Danthology.
I say I'm too late. Got nothing in my brain. Guess what people
talk dirty to me.
You know the words in my songs. No habla English. Girl, said you hallelujah. Girl, said you hallelujah. Our conversations ain't long, but you know what is. Girl, said you hallelujah. Cause Uptown Funk don't give it to you. Cause Uptown Funk don't give it to you. Cause Uptown Funk don't give it to you. Saturday night and we in the spot. Don't believe me, just watch. Just watch. I'm so confused. She came to give it to you. Hey, what you do? But if you know what you want, she'll be on the line. Perfect. I've got you in my space. I won't let go again.
When you say you love me, no, I love you more. And when you say you need me, no, I need you more.
There's no going back.
Say something, I'm giving up on you.
You never said a word, you didn't send me no letter.
I'm sorry that I couldn't get to you. Why you gotta be so rude? Trying so hard not to let it show. Nobody else seems to know. If one thing I know, I bought what I grow. I'm walking down this road of mine, this road that I go home. So am I wrong?
I'll give you a taste, make it like your birthday.
Yeah, no matter what you say.
I know you like it sweet, so you can have your cake. Give you something good to say. Tell me never to forget you. Yeah, you always make me go.
Ridgeland High School prom king. Your king is Sam Cobb. Ridgeland High School 2015 prom king queen is Star Porter. Ladies, give it up for everybody up here. it's there to choose. Just forget the wins, it's the best to use. Won't you follow me into the jungle? There ain't no God on my streets, in the heart of the jungle. Won't you follow me into the jungle? There ain't no God on these streets, in the heart of the jungle. Won't you follow me into the jungle? In the city of lights, in the backstreet balls and the neon lights. Well, I heard the thunder, I could feel the rain.